Welcome to this chakra balancing meditation. In this gentle journey, we will bring awareness, healing, and harmony to the 7 main chakras, or energy centers of your body. Allow yourself to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Let your hands rest softly. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Begin to slow your breath. Inhale deeply through the nose. And exhale slowly through the mouth. With every outward breath, allow tension to melt away. Nothing to hold, nothing to resist. This is your time. Now bring your awareness to the earth beneath you. Imagine the planet supporting you completely. Steady, ancient, safe. Visualize a soft beam of light flowing from the crown of your head, traveling gently down through your body, moving through your spine, your legs, and out through the soles of your feet. From your feet, this light begins to grow roots, spreading like the roots of a great tree, moving deeper and deeper into the earth. With every breath, you feel more grounded, more secure, more present. You are held. You are safe. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. Here, your root chakra begins to awaken. A glowing deep, steady red light. This is your center of safety, stability, and belonging. Visualize this chakra as a slowly rotating sphere of red energy. With each inhale, it draws in nourishing, supportive energy. With each exhale, it releases fear, worry, and old survival stress. Silently affirm, I am safe. I am grounded. I belong. Feel the red light grow stronger, steadier, calmer. Now gently shift your awareness to just below your navel. Your sacral chakra begins to glow with a warm orange light. Fluid, creative, alive. This is your center of emotion, pleasure, and creative flow. Visualize this orange sphere rotating freely, drawing in fresh, vibrant energy. Releasing guilt, emotional blocks, and heaviness. Affirm softly, I allow joy. I honor my creativity. I flow with life. Feel this space soften and open. Move your awareness to the area above your navel, below your chest. A golden yellow light begins to shine. Bright, confident, empowering. This is your center of personal power and self-belief. Visualize the yellow sphere spinning smoothly, pulling in confidence and clarity. Releasing doubt, self-criticism, and tension. Affirm, I trust myself. I stand in my power. Feel warmth spreading gently through your core. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Your heart chakra opens as a soft green glow. Expansive, gentle, loving. This is your center of compassion, connection, and balance. With every inhale, breathe love and positive energy into your heart. With every exhale, release old pain, grief, or emotional weight. Affirm, I give love freely. I receive love easily. Feel your heart space expand, light, glowing, and open. Shift awareness to your throat. A calming blue light begins to rotate gently. Clear, honest, open. This is your center of communication and self-expression. With each breath, inhale positive blue light from the universe. And release unspoken words, tightness, or fear of being misheard. Affirm, I express myself with clarity and truth. Feel your voice, even in silence, becoming free. Feel your throat chakra now glowing brightly with sparkling blue light. Now bring attention to the space between your eyebrows. Your third eye chakra awakens in a deep indigo glow. Quiet, wise, perceptive. This is your center of intuition and insight. Visualize this indigo sphere drawing in clarity. And releasing confusion, mental fog, and doubt. Affirm, I trust my inner wisdom. I see clearly. Feel your awareness becoming calm and focused. Feel your third eye chakra glowing steadily with clear indigo light. Gently move awareness to the top of your head. Your crown chakra opens like a soft halo of violet light. Expansive, connected, peaceful. This is your connection to higher consciousness and universal energy. With each breath, feel the halo of your crown chakra growing and absorbing gentle guiding violet light from the universe. You are now connected to something greater than yourself. Affirm, I am connected. I am guided. I am one. Rest in this sense of unity. Now visualize all 7 chakras aligned along your spine. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet, all spinning together in harmony. See their colors blending into a radiant rainbow of healing light. Surrounding your entire body. This energy continues to flow, cleansing, balancing, and restoring you. Slowly visualize each chakra gently closing one at a time, starting from root chakra, moving up to crown chakra. fully energized and balanced. You carry this harmony with you. Confidence, creativity, compassion, clarity. Take a deeper breath in and a long, relaxed breath out. When you're ready, gently return to the present moment. You are aligned. You are uplifted. You are whole.